I ride for my bitches though. I ride for my bitches. And I slide with my bitches though. I slide with my bitches. Scheming. Niggas tryna get at me. Oh. Sorry, French, I had to do it. Yeah. Cause niggas tryna get at me. No. They don't like me. They probably hate me. But they frontin'. They see me smile, give me pound like it ain't nothing. But I know they probably wishing I was dead. Just heard I got a pound. Now they tryna call the feds and it's hot. So I'm about to flee. About to go OT. And getting knocked with no weed. That ain't me. I'd rather get knocked with the strap. Cause if I'm doing any hard time, at least I know you ain't coming back. Fucking rat. Hopped in the trap just for some cheese. But don't get your tail caught and the floating in the sea. Somewhere in Orchard Beach, niggas swimming in the turd. Or somewhere in the dirt getting eaten by the birds and the vultures. Where I'm from, snitching ain't kosher. I was taught to only speak up when you're supposed to. Might see me riding clean in the Benz or a toaster. Or catch me riding dirty in the Chevy or a Nova or the Act. Probably got the thing on my lap. Couple homies in the back. And you know they all strapped with the mats and the tats and the gats. Don't look in their faces. All black champ hoodie Sims without no laces. They will put the metal to your face like braces. With no traces, nigga. Hold on.